Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce financial risks with Fidelity Investments, complete guide step by step clearly. To reduce financial risks with Fidelity Investments, start by understanding your financial goals. Identify your investment timeline and risk tolerance. Create a diversified portfolio by spreading investments across different asset classes. Utilize Fidelity's research tools to evaluate potential investments. Consider low-cost index funds or ETFs to minimize fees. Regularly review your portfolio to ensure it aligns with your goals. Rebalance your portfolio periodically to maintain your desired asset allocation. Stay informed on market trends and changes that could affect your investments. Take advantage of Fidelity's educational resources to enhance your financial knowledge. Utilize retirement accounts like IRAs or 401(k)s for tax advantages. Consider dollar cost averaging to reduce the impact of market volatility. Assess your investment's performance and make adjustments as necessary. Consult with a Fidelity financial advisor for personalized guidance. Use Fidelity's risk assessment tools to better understand market risks. Stay disciplined and avoid emotional reactions to market fluctuations. Establish an emergency fund to provide a buffer against unexpected financial setbacks. Maintain liquidity in your investments to ensure access to funds when needed. By following these steps, you can effectively reduce financial risks and build a more secure investment portfolio with Fidelity Investments. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.